Hey guys, it's the Oraimo Freepods 3. It comes in a big box considering that it's just Airpods that's in here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Oraimo Freepods 3 to find out if it's any good. Spoiler alert, it's really good. Let's get to the unboxing. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So, opening up the box, we are first greeted with the Freepods 3 and its carrying case. Next, we get extra ear tips. We also get the manual. And lastly, a USB Type-C cable for charging. The Freepods 3 is rocking Bluetooth 5.2, so it's quite easy to pair with your phone. Just take them out of the case, go to your Bluetooth settings and pair with it. And when it's connected, the light would stop blinking. The design of the Freepods 3 is very ergonomic. It has a glossy plastic ring all round and the rest of it feels like a matte finish. There are 3 LEDs that indicate the battery life, and at the bottom of the case is a Type-C port for charging. I really like the design of the Airpods themselves. It's both in-ear design and half-in-ear design. Oraimo calls it already smooth and bass smooth. I call it brilliant designing. It's a very simple and innovative design that makes it appealing to all kinds of ears. I use it in bass mode though because I like my music with plenty of bass. It's IPX5 water and sweat resistant, and that's always good to have. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. They are very comfortable in the ears. They don't feel like they are going to fall off at any point, even when you are sweating. Now it has a 45 mAh battery in each of the earbuds and 500 mAh battery on the case. Now during my usage, it lasted for about 8 hours on a single charge, which is pretty much the same as what Oraimo said, so thumbs up to that. Now with the case, you can charge it up to 3 times more, giving a total of about 32 hours of battery life. That's insane. Now it will take about 2 hours to charge the case back to 100%. Touch controls are available, so you double tap to play or pause your music. To skip to the next track, you tap and hold for 5 seconds on the right earbud. Now hold the left earbud to go to the previous track. If you tap and hold for 3 seconds on any of the earbud, you activate your voice assistant, that's Siri or Google Assistant. And to answer a call, you double tap, and to decline a call, you tap and hold for 3 seconds. Hey guys, so this is what the person on the other end of the call will be hearing if you're using the Oraimo Freepods 3. They are both in my ears right now, so let me know what you think of the microphone's audio quality. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any new video. Now for the elephant in the room, the sound quality. How does the Oraimo Freepods 3 sound? Now this is one of the best wireless earpods I have used. The sound quality is really rich. It has 13mm drivers inside, so the bass is really good. For this price point, by the way, the Oraimo Freepods 3 will cost you 16,500 naira or $30. Now for this price point, I don't think you can get better sounding earbuds. The loads are great, mids are really nice, and they are really loud. Anyway, do let me know what you think of the Oraimo Freepods 3. Do you consider it to be your next earbuds? Let me know in the comments below. Now I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give this video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.